Welcome. In front of me is a ThinkPhone by Motorola, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications from the top. Do so once more to extend the list of toggles, and somewhere here you should see a hotspot toggle. For me it's on the second page, as you can see right over here. Once you find this toggle, first time around hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize things like, for instance, the password, which I recommend doing because by default it will be randomly generated. So you can just completely remove it and put in your password. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length. That's why I have like 1 through 8. And from there you can save it. You can change other settings in here, obviously, if you know what they do. If you don't, I would recommend keeping them as they are. This will ensure that your hotspot works every time you actually need it. So from there, once you have changed the password, you can close this, and whenever you want to use your hotspot, simply find the toggle, tap on it, and that's it, and it's now running. So that is how you enable it, and to disable it, simply tap on it again. Now quickly going into here once more, I'm going to just check one more thing, which is the timeout setting. I recommend keeping this on. You could increase the time if you find that it turns off automatically too quickly. But the reason I recommend keeping this on is if you forget to turn off your hotspot, it will be running in the background indefinitely. And in this case, the hotspot consumes more battery, and if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running. So I recommend keeping this on. You can increase the time, but I wouldn't recommend turning it off. So there we go. Now with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.